Can you say us something about why is this product the winner and in which category, and what is the most special things about this product?
We got an award here for this HELI Pro pants, and it's actually won the prize because of the fabric. It's a super special fabric. We have developed together with a Swedish fabric supplier called FOV, and we used a highly abrasion resistant fiber called Vectron to make it abrasion resistant. Super. We wanted to create a lighter 3-layer fabric, but still keep the highest abrasion resistant possible. And so the material is one thing, and then we have the root of system integrated in the pants. So what it actually does is that you have the device here. This is not completely because it's missing something at the moment. It's just for show. But you actually have you can grab here when we're into an avalanche. You grab, and this explodes to a balloon that floats on top of the avalanche. So it's easy to find the balloon, and then you can find the body in the avalanche.
And, is it the balloon can be the balloon reused, or?
Yeah, you actually buy. This is the device you can buy separately. So once it's used, you can buy a new one in our stores or online.
You just buy the filling for the balloon, or a whole balloon, the whole device?
The whole device.
Okay. And why is the place it on the trousers? It's for the easiest way to find out by the hand, or?
Yeah, we think it's easy when you're going to ski. You have the hands nearby instead of somewhere else.
Also, the important thing about this root of you have like webbing around the pant, so it's really fixed around your leg, so it will not just go away or something. So the line is actually attached by this one, and this one goes around the leg. You see here?
Yes.
So it's really fixed into your body, so you know that this one is connected to you and not only to the pants.
Is it really the strong line?
It's a Dyneema line, so it's super strong.
Yeah.
It's about 30 meters long, and it will actually float on top of the avalanche.
Because
so
it's really easy, and
yeah, it will be quite easy to find you. So that's why it's on the leg, and also since you have your hands here, it's easy to just grab.
Here we got the jackets too, to this collection.
Yeah, it's a set. It's a full set. You have the pants with the Avalanche, which won the prize, and of course you have the jacket together with the same fabric. Yeah, super nice design.